I know. So we have a place student Karthik. He got placed on QSPADS Pasampudi. So let us know his journey. Hi Karthik, can you introduce yourself?
Hello sir, I'm Karthik. I'm from Chicago and I'm Bachelor of Degree in Mechanical Engineering in Jawaharlal International College of Engineering, Surat.
So which company you got placed and what is the package?
I got placed in a company called Infowire System with a package of 3 years.
So what are the roles of that company?
So there are two roles are there, sir. First one is technical basic interview and then after that we have manager role.
Okay, so since you are from mechanical background, you didn't face any difficulty of learning programming language.
No sir, because they are teaching QSPADS will be very well, so I can grasp the concept very well, so that it will be helpful for me to practice.
So what do you want to suggest for your juniors or upcoming students?
Please do come and attend the grooming sessions and then mocks that will be helpful for you to crack the interview.
I have very good advice.
Thank you.